Hello, good morning. You're welcome to this lesson. This tutorial is going to focus on a question that came in a Ghana further mathematics question where we are told to evaluate these sets and then leave our answer in this form. So let's get going. Remember, we started with rationalization of sets, and this is an application of rationalization of sets. So in doing so, we want to solve this question. Now note that what we have here are two sets which are being subtracted from each other. So to do this, we first of all have to rationalize the first fraction. After that, we rationalize this, then we take their differences. So we have 3 and 2 minus root 3. So to rationalize this, we multiply this by the conjugate pair of the denominator, which is 2 plus 3. That is what we are doing here. In order not to get confused, let's put them in brackets. So if you are multiplying, 3 times 2 will give us 6. We have 3 times root 3 giving us 3 root 3. Then the denominator gives us a difference of 2 squares. So 2 minus root 3 squared. So this should give us 6 plus 3 root 3 on 4 minus 3. So we continue. Now we get something 3, 6 plus 3, 3, all on 1. So it means over here we get 6 plus 3 root 3. That's the first part. Let's go and pick the second part, which is 2 over 3 plus root 3. 3, I beg your pardon. So this is supposed to be root 3. Supposed to be root 3. Good. So 2 on 3 root 3. So 2 on 3 plus root 3. Let's confirm again if that is a correct statement or expression. So yes. So 2 over 3 root 3. Good. So we want to rationalize this by multiplying both the numerator and denominator by the conjugate pair of the numerator. So let's put them in bracket nicely. So 3 by 2 will give us 6 minus 2 root 3. All on product we have 3 squared minus root 3 squared. That's give us 6 minus 2 root 3. All on, this is 9 minus 3, right? So let's continue in the next page. So we had 6. We have 6 minus 2 root 3. All on 9 minus 6, right? 9 minus 3, I beg your pardon. So this gave us 6 minus 2 root 3, all on 6. So coming down here, we're left with 6 on 6 minus 2 on 6 root 3. So means we get 1 minus 1 on 3 root 3. Now, this is our second solution. So we have to bring the two solutions together and then we solve. So the first solution, let's go for the first solution. So the first solution we had 6 plus 3 root 3. 6 plus 3 root 3. 6 plus 3 root 3 as the first solution. So we have 6 plus 3 root 3. This minus what we have here, which is, let me put that in bracket, 1 minus 1 over 3 root 3. Now, in order to be safe, let's change this part into a fraction form, which will make it easier for us. So we have 6 plus 3 root 3 minus, changing this, we have 3 minus 1 root 3 all on 3. So this is what we have. So we have the first part minus the second part, this part minus this part minus this part. So if we continue the course, we have a denominator here. We have to find the LCM, which in this case is 3. So it means that you multiply the first part by 3. Minus, then we bring the brackets, 3 minus 1 root 3. Remember, all this is supposed to be over 3. So if we continue, we have 18, because 3 by this is 18, that's 9 root 3 minus 3 plus root 3 all on 3. So this is where we are now. We're going to the next page. So let's copy our solution as we have it. Let's copy our solution as we have it at this stage. So let's go to the next page. So the next page, yes. So next page, remember, we have 18 plus 9 root 3 minus 3 plus root 3 all on 3. Good. So at the end of the day, what do we have here? What we have here is, remember, they all have the same denominator. So 18 minus 3, this 18 minus 3, 18 minus this 3 will give us 15. Then 9 root 3 plus another root 3 giving us 10 root 3. And all this out of 3. So 15 on 3, 15 on 3. I'm going to write my 5 well. So 15 on 3 plus 10 root 3 on 3. So it means we'll be left with 5 plus 10 on 3 root 3. So in the question, our m will then be equal to 5, and our n will be equal to 10 on 3. So thank you for watching.